This video is going to be on global warming and the ozone layer. Have you ever seen a car and behind the car there's black smoke coming out? Or have you ever seen a factory and on top of the building there's thick black smog coming out? Well, these gases are harmful to the earth and they are known as greenhouse gases. Greenhouse gases. Some examples of greenhouse gases are carbon dioxide and methane. Let's draw a brief diagram. This is the Earth, and this is the Sun. Between the Earth and the Sun, there's a layer known as the greenhouse layer. So, the Sun, of course, gives off rays. These rays hit the Earth and bounce back. But the greenhouse layer absorbs some of the heat and reflects it back to the Earth. So it goes like this and then comes right back. This helps keep the Earth warm. If there was no greenhouse layer, then the Earth would be really cold, approximately negative 18 degrees Celsius, and there would be no life. So, you must be thinking, what's so bad about this? Well, these greenhouse gases that we're putting into the atmosphere, such as carbon dioxide and methane, are making the greenhouse layer very thick. So, very thick. So what happens is, now, most of the rays, once they reflect off the Earth, none of it goes back into space. Most of it comes back. But when the greenhouse layer was a little thinner, most of the rays went back into space, but only some of them reflect. But now, very little rays are going back into space, which is making the Earth very warm. Soon, it'll be so warm that all the glaciers will start melting, like they already have, and life will be very difficult because there'll be less plants and everything. So, what can we do to help? One example of what you can do to help is ride bikes and limit car usage. Ride bike and limit car usage. Now, let's talk about the ozone layer. Ozone layer. First, let's draw the same diagram as last time. There's the Earth. And then, there's the Sun. Imagine yourself on the beach, and the sun's warm rays are coming towards you. Doesn't it feel really good? But the sun's rays have harmful effects because they have contained this thing called ultraviolet rays. Ultraviolet rays. These things, known as ultraviolet rays, can do very bad things to your body. They can cause eye cataract, skin cancer, and many bad things, which will hurt you. So you must be wondering, so then, why is it not hurting me now? Well, that's because of the ozone layer. The ozone layer is a layer of gases above the Earth. These gases absorb the sun's ultraviolet rays. So if these are the ultraviolet rays, they don't get past the ozone layer. They're stopped because the gases absorb them, and they save you. Thank God for the ozone layer. But what happens next? What's happening to the ozone layer? Unfortunately, humans use these things that cause chemicals to come out known as CFCs. These chemicals react with the ozone layer and making the gases in the ozone layer disappear. So, it'll look a bit like this. There's going to be holes. And because of these holes, now the ultraviolet rays can reach the Earth. This is very bad for us. So, we need to reduce the CFCs put into the air. Some things that cause CFCs are old refrigerators, old air conditioners, and even spray cans. So what can you do to help? First, help. First, limit car usage. Car usage. Some things you can do are riding a bike for short distances or even walking. Next, turn off your power devices when you don't need them. Turn off electronic devices when not using them. Devices. Also, you could use less hot water and save energy. Less hot water and save energy. So basically it all comes down to saving let me write that on one line. Saving energy and reducing CFCs. Now it's time for you to make change in community. Make everyone aware of the harmful effects of CFCs in methane and carbon dioxide and greenhouse gases. So, just remember, make change, and